In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pad zeros in Snowflake, specifically by padding numbers with leading zeros. This can be very useful when you're dealing with numeric data that you want to format consistently, particularly in situations where you need all your numbers to have the same length. This approach is commonly used to maintain uniformity in data representation, for example, when working with identification numbers, invoice numbers, or any other numerals where such formatting is required. Let's get started by exploring the steps involved. Imagine you have a numeric column in your database, and you need each of these numbers to appear with leading zeros to a fixed length, say 8 digits. The method we're going to use involves two primary functions in Snowflake, toVarchar and lpad. First, let's focus on the toVarchar function. This function is used to convert a numeric value into a string format. By converting numbers into strings, we create the flexibility needed for further manipulation, such as adding characters like zeros at the start. It's quite straightforward to use this function. You simply enclose your numeric column within the toVarchar parentheses. Once the number is converted to a string, the next step is to utilize the lpad function. Lpad stands for left pad. Essentially, this function allows you to append specified characters to the left side of your string until it reaches your desired length. In our case, it will add zeros. The general syntax for lpad is as follows. You pass in 3 arguments: the string you want to pad, the final length you want your string to reach, and the specific character to pad it with. Putting this into practice, you'll write your SQL query like this: select followed by lpad. Then within the lpad function, you provide toVarchar with your column name inside parentheses. After this, add a comma and the total length you want your padded number to achieve, which is 8 in our example. Finish with another comma followed by 0 within quotes. This entire expression should be given an alias to clarify what it represents, let's say, padded value. Therefore, your complete SQL command will appear as select lpad toVarchar, your column, 8, 0, as padded value from your table. This is how you effectively ensure all entries in your column are presented with leading zeros up to the 8-character mark. By following these steps, you maintain a uniform appearance in your numeric data, which not only helps in data analysis, but also enhances readability and compatibility with systems expecting a certain format. Implementing these methods should seamlessly integrate into your workflow and offer reliable results every time you need to pad numbers with zeros in Snowflake. I hope this tutorial helps clarify the process for you, and I encourage you to try it out for yourself to experience its utility firsthand.